roll, we have to use the rice paper. So the rice paper is made from rice flour, steam, and then dry under the sun, or dry it to make it like this, right? So this one, we have to wet them first before we roll. So what we're gonna do, we have to use the water to wet it, to make it soft. But if you put too much water, it's gonna be too soft. We have to control the water. We can use any kind of leaf, wet the leaf and use it like a brush to brush the water on it. So when it's wet already, then we're gonna put a little bit of everything here into the rice paper. So we have cucumber, and then this is pineapple. After that we have star fruit and young green banana. Put it in. We can have a little bit of lettuce or some herbs also. And then the beef. Roll them together to make our own spring roll. Ta-da!
Well done.
This one we're gonna eat with our fish sauce. It's for you?